Have you ever paused to truly consider how your seemingly harmless morning skincare routine, the one you've perfected over time, could inadvertently be accelerating the aging process? Are you unknowingly contributing to premature lines, dullness, or other skin concerns? Most of us go through the motions, often on autopilot, rushing to get ready for the day, unaware that these small, almost imperceptible mistakes, the kind we don't even realize we're making, can have surprisingly big consequences, leading to long-term damage that's difficult to reverse. It's crucial to understand the impact of our daily habits for our skin's health and long-term youthfulness. Today, we'll uncover the most common yet often overlooked morning skincare mistakes, the hidden culprits behind lackluster skin, and more importantly, show you exactly how to fix them, transforming your routine into a powerful ritual that nourishes and protects. Get ready to unlock the secrets to radiant, resilient skin, revealing a healthy, youthful glow that lasts. Your morning routine is more than just a habit. It's your skin's first defense against pollution, UV rays, and daily stress. Without this protection, your skin is left vulnerable, accelerating signs of aging. A smart morning routine builds resilience, boosts confidence, and keeps your complexion glowing. The biggest mistake? Skipping sunscreen. UV rays silently damage your skin every day, causing wrinkles, spots, and loss of firmness. Even on cloudy days, sun exposure adds up, leading to premature aging. Daily broad-spectrum SPF is a must. Think of it as your skin's essential armor. Scrubbing hard might feel satisfying, like you're really getting rid of all the dirt and dead skin. You might think that the more pressure you apply, the cleaner your skin will be. But, in reality, this approach can be quite damaging. Think about it. Harsh exfoliants often contain large, jagged particles. These aren't designed to gently buff away impurities. Instead, they act like sandpaper on your delicate skin, tearing your skin and creating microscopic abrasions. This aggressive exfoliation can destroy its protective barrier, the very thing that keeps your skin healthy and resilient. A compromised barrier leaves your skin vulnerable to environmental aggressors and moisture loss. This leads to redness, irritation, inflammation, and a whole host of other problems. Your skin becomes reactive and sensitive, and even more oiliness as your skin tries to heal and compensate for the damage. It's a vicious cycle that can be difficult to break. True renewal comes from gentle care, not force. It's about nurturing your skin, not attacking it. So, choose mild exfoliation methods like chemical exfoliants or gentle scrubs with small round beads, and let your skin thrive. You'll be amazed at the difference a little kindness can make. Don't stop at your jawline. Your neck is just as exposed and ages even faster. Extend your skincare routine to your neck for a smooth, youthful look from face to décolletage. Start your day with a gentle, pH-balanced cleanser to remove sweat and oil without stripping your skin. Harsh soaps disrupt your skin's natural barrier, leaving it dry and vulnerable. A mild cleanser keeps your skin calm, balanced, and ready for the next steps. After cleansing, apply a hydrating serum packed with hyaluronic acid or peptides. Serums deliver powerful ingredients deep into your skin, plumping and supporting collagen for a firmer, smoother look. This step transforms your routine from basic care to active rejuvenation. Sunscreen deserves a second mention. Apply it every morning, rain or shine. Choose SPF 30 or higher, and make it as routine as brushing your teeth. This simple habit is your best defense against aging and skin cancer. Great skin starts from within. Drink plenty of water to keep your skin plump and radiant. Dehydration shows up as dullness and fine lines, no matter how many creams you use. Hydration supports your skin's barrier and amplifies the effects of your skincare products. Sleep is your body's natural repair time. Don't cut it short. Lack of rest leads to dull skin, puffiness, and faster aging. Aim for 7-9 hours each night to let your skin heal and renew. Stress triggers hormones that can cause breakouts, redness, and speed up aging. Manage stress with exercise, meditation, or time outdoors to keep your skin calm and clear. A peaceful mind means healthier, more resilient skin. Healthy skin isn't about chasing an illusion of perfection that's often portrayed in media. It's not about erasing every line or pore. Instead, it's about cultivating a daily, mindful care ritual, both inside and out. It's a commitment to nurturing your skin's natural vitality and resilience. Think of it as a lifelong symbiosis, a partnership with your body. Be gentle, treat your skin with the kindness it deserves. Avoid harsh scrubs or aggressive treatments. Be consistent. Make skincare a non-negotiable part of your day, just like brushing your teeth. Small, consistent efforts yield the most significant long-term results. And protect your skin every morning with a broad-spectrum sunscreen. Sun protection is the cornerstone of any effective skincare routine, shielding you from premature aging and damage. For personalized product recommendations tailored to your unique skin type and concerns, check the link in the description below. We've curated a selection of products to help you on your skincare journey. Thanks for watching. May your mornings renew your skin, bringing forth a radiant and healthy complexion. As much as the dawn renews the world, offering a fresh start and a promise of new beginnings, hit the notification bell for more skincare tips and beauty routines. Stay glowing and see you in the next video.